Have you ever wondered what the night sky looks like from the middle of the ocean? Imagine the stars, unobscured and brilliant, stretching to the horizon in every direction. Welcome to the world of night sky cruises, where the open sea offers an unobstructed view of the cosmos, far from the city lights. These voyages are not just about the destination, but also the enchanting celestial journey that the night sky offers. Join us as we embark on a virtual journey through the top 5 night sky cruises. First on our list is the Equatorial Stargazing Odyssey. Imagine sailing along the equator, where the heavens boast some of the most ideal stargazing conditions. The journey is sprinkled with stops in remote areas, far from the city lights, offering a canvas of unblemished darkness. Here, the celestial bodies twinkle with an intensity that's truly mesmerizing. From constellations to distant galaxies, everything appears more vivid, more tangible. It's a journey that offers a truly entrancing experience for those who appreciate the beauty of the cosmos. Next up, we have the Northern Lights cruise. Imagine voyaging near the Arctic, the chill in the air, the hush of the sea, and then the awe-inspiring aurora borealis dancing across the night sky. This cruise offers more than just a visual feast. With expert-led photography workshops, you'll capture these celestial fireworks like a pro. Engage in folklore evenings, where tales of the light's magic and mystery come to life. An unforgettable journey into the magical world of the Northern Lights. For those who wish to explore the southern skies, the Southern Hemisphere Constellations cruise is the perfect choice. Picture yourself journeying from the vibrant shores of Australia to the rich landscapes of South America. Along the way, you'll be treated to a celestial spectacle, taking in the unique constellations that can only be seen from this part of the world. You'll gaze upon the grandeur of the Milky Way and visit dark sky reserves untouched by light pollution. A voyage of discovery into the lesser-known constellations of the Southern Hemisphere. The transatlantic Starry Passage offers a historic journey across the Atlantic. As you traverse the same routes taken by ancient mariners, you'll delve into the fascinating world of celestial navigation. Astronomy lectures on board bring the heavens closer, explaining the mysteries of the cosmos. Night sky observation sessions offer chances to apply newfound knowledge, drawing constellations and tracking celestial bodies. This voyage lets you experience the same starry nights that guided sailors in the past, a truly awe-inspiring connection to our seafaring heritage. Last but not least, we have the Pacific Ocean Polynesian Pathways. Picture yourself sailing under the starry Pacific skies, following in the wake of ancient Polynesian navigators. These skilled seafarers used the stars to guide their voyages across vast expanses of ocean, a testament to their profound knowledge and respect for the celestial bodies. The stars held deep cultural significance, a celestial tapestry interwoven with their rich traditions and beliefs. Immerse yourself in the rich Polynesian culture and their connection with the stars.